Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are well. বন্ধুরা আশা করি সবাই ভালো আছো. Now today we will write a fast programs um, on a Spyder IDEs. We can use the Jupyter notebook as well. So I'm gonna first show you the on a Spyder IDE. So if we just open a new file from here, just press there, or if you just press go file, new file, or you can use just that new file. And first thing, we just save the file. Go to save. I'm just going to save in the desktop. Python basics. So just first program. It will save with .py. And if you just write it down, print. Hi there. And if you just press the run button, you can see execute in current consoles. Yeah. Let's run. And you can see the programs running in here. Hi there, the output. And if you use the Jupyter notebook, you can see straight away on your just print. You can use a single or double like this. Stick to it the ones the single code, then right there. And if you just press run button on the next line, you'll see hi there. It's very straightforward. So from beginning, we will just use the Spyder one and see how far we can go with the Spyder. Now, so there will be another video. I'm gonna put details about to the Spyders, all these functionalities and everything, and basically this is the kind of writing code in these sections, and you'll see the results up here. And you can see from here as well, if you have plots and stuff in features, we'll go through the machine learning, deep learning, all this stuff, and then you can see the files in my first files in here, where exactly it's saved and everything. And you can see that my file was saved in that location. And in variable explorer, when you want to debug your program, you can do it in here, when you create the variables and stuff, when you run the programs, and if you find any errors and stuff, so you can, in there you will do debugging in the section. You can see the variables, different values and stuff, you can see in here. So I'll just go show you the Jupyter notebook as well. And in here, when you I just started from the Spyders and Jupyter notebook from the Anaconda. If you just press launch here, it will launch the programs. Same with the Spyder as well. And Anaconda is very helpful, if you want to create a virtual environment, for different packages, different versions of the Python stuff, which is very helpful. I'll go through this stuff later on. And so to run the Jupyter notebook, when you open up this, when you launch, it will open up like this, and then from there you just press new, and it will ask you what you want, Python 3 or terminals or text files, or for this Python 3, and it will create another same like this. It will create another like this. Taking times, so I can show you in here, and you can save from here, all this, and then save here. It's coming up now. You can just writing a code, and if you want to more cell, this called cell. So just press there's a plus button there, and you can create more cell like this. And if you want to cart, just press whichever the one selected one, it will be cart. I'll go to the shortcut as well, to the next video, so we will write more code in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye bye.